I don't know about you guys, but I love it when I come out here and all the girls just start chilling and preening. This one is Bubbles. She's kind of funny. She always stands in funny ways. But look, I came over to check out Mina just in case she was acting irritable. That's Mina right there. She's just broody. I thought something was on her, but she's just broody. So when she moves, she does a lot of irritated, sharp movements and screechy sounds. She's calmer now. Maybe I can catch it on video, I don't know. Hello, Roger. Keeping an eye out. Here's Dawn. The babes. And Teddy. Hello, Teddy. You've had a wonky feather for a long time, but it just doesn't want to fall off. Look at that fluffy butt. Brahmas are very fluffy chickens. Hi, Bubbles. How are you?